Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hi everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. For some of you who are new to my channel, thank you so much. And for some of you who have been watching all my shows, thank you. This show is mainly for beginners. Each episode features a different dog breed from the books that I wrote. Each book will show you step by step on how to form each dog breed. That's how simple these dog breeds are. Today's episode is, it's Beagle, the dog that doesn't talk that much.
Gotta get these sack of rice and salt to the restaurant, or else they're gonna run out of food. Get out of my way, Bee.
Whoa, slow down.
I can't. I'm the only one who does this. Move!
All right. Jeez, we have to catch out later though.
Yes, we will.
Once more, you've opened the door, and I hear in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Bee, you've been there? Oh my gosh! You should have said something, Bee. I don't know how long you've been there. Is that Goldie you were talking to down there? She sounded like she was in a hurry. Bee, I'm sorry to tell you this. I'm also in a hurry. I have to talk to the Kitty Bake community president on the other side. We have a meeting today. So, we're gonna make this quick, okay?
All right.
Preparation: polymer clay, toothpicks, brush and baby oil, and any tool with a rounded tip. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake books, and the Beagle tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake book too. What do you think about the Beagle sculpture? It's very easy, right? It's kind of similar to a Basset Hound, but the Beagle has more of a square muzzle. With a Basset Hound, it has really droopy ears and very long, but with the Beagle, it's not as long and droopy. So you don't get confused which one is which. Some of you are asking me where to find these books. They're actually worldwide. Of course, Amazon.com is very popular, so you can find these books in Amazon.com. If you want to purchase these books by bundle, visit my website at doggobake.com. It will definitely save you money if you buy them by bundle. That's really it. See you again next Friday for another dog.
Rifa!